That was a good one.
Somebody about to get an eye poked out.
I got a buddy that's like that though. He's wormy as shit, but that fucker, it comes to throwing a ball or something, that fucker can do it.
No, I ain't gonna quit. My arm falls off. Okay.
He can throw a
I'm
damn
next.
pretty spiral out to that blue truck right there. A little old fucking Nerf football too.
Look, stop trying to twist your arm out.
Oh! Boy!
That shit's got to hurt by now.
I think he cut me out on that one.
Well, yeah, you've been cheating the whole fucking game. You trying to catch me off
I was
guard.
making sure no one walked in and heard something squeak.
Oh, the camera's got you, don't worry.
Huh?
Oh, motherfucker, you are good at this shit.
Oh, he went sideways on that one.
Quit?
It's okay to lose to the Sonny, Taylor.
Dude, this is like fucking iron up.
Yes, it is. That fucking side cut shit. Hey, look.
You're the one
Look at that.
twisting your
Look
arm.
at that. God almighty.
Damn.
You want to quit?
No.
Nah, I know that bitch hurt.
Putting some weight behind those.
How did I hit myself?
I don't know.
Jesus, let's hold y'all's arms up. Let's see them.
Oh, you got me good right there. Look at that one.
Yeah. You got
Wow.
me good there and there and there.